Well, gents, here we go. Here's the trailer in its current state of things. There's my front door. Bit of repair that was done on the roof at one point. I got to change this fixture. This is the living room. It goes all the way around to that way. I've got a bad spot I got to get fixed in the floor left there. I've got one left in this corner. I had the other stuff fixed already. That light's newer. I may change it to make it match, but not worried about it. I think I'm gonna take that fan down, or I may fix it. This fan, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with. I may fix it. It used to be on a fan controller like that one over there. Those things are fucking dangerous. So the way the electric is all the way up through here, all the way through the back of that trailer is on one circuit with like 8 outlets on it, and then all the way over to here actually, and then here through that whole side of the kitchen is on one circuit. This plug, this light, and the kitchen lights are on their own, so I may borrow power from this to unsplit some things, or to turn the living room into one circuit. I'm not sure how I'm going to do it, but here's my kitchen. It's messy because I've been working. I just cleaned up the stove a bit. I got to clean it again, but it works. That old vent fan doesn't work. I did a rattle can special where a bunch of paint was peeling here. They're old cabinets. Whatever. It's a thing. GFCI combination switch there. I couldn't get a GFCI combination AFCI, but whatever. That controls the porch light. That extension cord coming out of the wall goes to the outdoor lights around the back, which are just unplugged right now. I had gold plates. I went stainless. They're crooked because they're just mounted into the paneling with old work boxes. These walls are full 2x4, so I could use regular plastic boxes. I didn't have to use the thin ones I had to use everywhere else. So that switch does this light here, and it does that light there. That plug is part of the bathroom circuit. There's the back door to the porch. That's a piece of glass glued in. I got to peel the tape off. It is what it is. I'll fix it later. And then if you come down the hallway here, there's a linen closet, washer and dryer. The dryer I got to rewire still. I changed the washer outlet out. The wiring was still good. There's the vanity. Here's the shitter. GFCI there that protects that, and that outlet on the other side of the kitchen. This circuit here, this is where my refrigerator and stuff is. This outlet and these two are on one circuit. Which, whatever, it doesn't draw that much. I can have the refrigerator and like a toaster oven or something else plugged in there. And if I drop a nuker here and the coffee maker there, I'll be fine. I put, some of the wiring was 12 gauge, but not all of it. It all went down to 14 as well, so I just put 15 amp breakers on everything. Here's the shower, the old cast iron tub. They had to rip the shitter out. They did the world's worst tile job I've ever seen. It's at a different height because that's directly on top of plywood. This rest of this tile is on top of plywood, which is on top of crumbling away MDF, which is on top of the joist. So, whatever. I got to rip the AC vents out. Shitter, tub, shower, plumbing crap is there. Behind that is a highly exposed alcove where the water tank is, the hot water heater. I got to put new sockets in this light fixture. I hit this with a rattle can. There used to be a plug-in fan mounted here, which is where this goes to nothing now. That light fixture looks newer. It was fine. I just put a new bulb in it. This has been fixed before. Whatever. This, I might need to drive some screws in. It's a little droopy. It's not perfect. There's a poorly sealed window in the top behind this, so I got to cut this all out someday and punch a vent fan through there because there's no vent fan in this bathroom, which kind of sucks. So when I shower, I'm going to have to leave the door open until I fix that. Washer, dryer. I got to deal with some stuff behind that. I think the dryer vent just dumps under the trailer. Back bedroom I got some expanding foam in there. The paneling separated from the tile, and there's nothing holding it there, so whatever. I gotta clean that up and then spray it, you know, tape it and spray it. When one of the 4-window ACs, I have this open because I'm doing some electrical. I shot some expanding foam in there because there's no way to put another piece of wood in the bottom of that. There just isn't. I had some termite damage fixed here. There's a bit more left in that corner. He's coming back tomorrow to fix that for me. You know, so not a bad sized room. Like I said, I got to fix some stuff. I think I'm going to delete this ceiling fan. It's a little bit at chopping height. I have concerns over how low that is. And these just screw into the ceiling, and you can see the wiring and whatever. There's an old fixture there. There's a closet. You know, it's not the world's tiniest room. It's a little hard to get a good angle on it here. Should have shot this in vertical. I should have done vertical video. It would have been advantageous. Small closet-sized bathroom. You know, this has been redone. I need to change the light bulb in there. This vent fan is dead. It might just be a vent. I'll figure out what the deal is with that when I can. You know, crapper. This is the other side to get to the water heater, which I guess I could rip that open and pull the toilet, and I guess I could get to the water heater. Well, the wiring's on the other side, so I can't. Yeah, that's a mess I gotta fix, is the water heater, but that's a whole nother story. So there's panel, this room. I'm gonna try to step back so you can get an idea of the size of the room. It's a little hard to do because the room is kind of, you know, it's rectangular this way and short this way. This is kind of like the half back room of the trailer. So then here's my office, which is a mess, but you know, whatever. It's coming along. I'm getting there. You know, not a horrible size. It's got a closet with it. I got a bunch of crap in there. And then if you go through here, middle bedroom, I'm working on some stuff in here. I found a TV that was here. I found a computer in the closet, an all-in-one, and a PlayStation 3, so I gotta see if those work. So yeah, there's this. I got, you know, shit to fix, whatever. I'll rattle can it. It's close enough to the paint, believe it or not, because it's just decorator's white. So here's one bed, another bedroom. There's a closet. I'll just put curtains on these. It won't be a big deal. I've got to do some cleaning up still. I picked up all the big shit from when I was doing all the electrical work. I had to replace every outlet and switch because it were those combination things that crimp into the paneling, where the wire just crimps into the back of the socket or whatever. So yeah, I mean, you know, not a huge place, not a tiny place either. It's 3 bedrooms. It's almost 1,000 square feet. You know, just to give you an idea here, I'll turn around and here. There. So it's not too bad. And there's the window shaker for this room. You know, phone doesn't want to focus on nothing, but like I said, it's not bad. You know, it's a manageable size. It's good for 1 or 2 people, no problem. I mean, there was like 3 people living in here. And then there's a screened-in back porch back there, and you guys have seen previous videos, but I figured I'd just kind of get a shot of this so that you guys could see what it looked like. You know, whatever, kind of a thing. Anyway, I will catch up with everyone. Cheers for now.